This module explains how to look back at your project's history using Git and how to see what changed between commits. Understanding this helps you track progress and debug issues effectively. The git log command shows a list of all commits made in the repository in reverse chronological order. Each commit entry includes its unique ID, author, date, and commit message. This log helps you understand what changes were made and when. Running git log in your terminal displays all commit entries. You can scroll through this list to review past changes. This command is your primary tool for seeing the evolution of your project over time. Git diff shows the exact changes between 2 points in your project history. It compares files line by line and highlights additions and deletions. This helps you understand what changed in each commit or between your working directory and last commit. Running git diff without arguments compares your current files to the last commit. This shows what you have changed but not yet staged. It's useful for reviewing your work before you add or commit it. You can also compare 2 commits with git diff followed by their IDs. This shows exactly what changed from one commit to another. For example, git diff A1 B2C 3D4 E5 F6 displays changes between those specific snapshots.